everyone, my name is Nade Irwani Simanjunta. I am from the 2024 Nutrition Production Class A. My goal in making this video is to fulfill the assessment for my applied English across in writing a journal. The journal I reviewed is titled Trends in the Burden of Chronic Disease Attributable to Diet-Related Risk Factor from 1990 to 2021 and the global prediction through 2020, a population-based study. Journal name Frontiers in Nutrition. Volume and Facts. Publication years 2025. Writer Huanma, Minanwang Chukin, Yunsi, Oscar Onayi, Mandizada, Hojaini, and Kong Wanji. Research purposes or study aimed to quantify the association between dietary risk factor and the burden of NCDs across different socio-demographics. Index CDE levels and assess global trend in NCD-related deaths and deaths attributable to diet from 1990 to 2021. B factor projected mortality rates by age growth through 2030 to evaluate progress toward the UN's 2030 Sustainable Development Agenda 18 and the WHO Global Non-Communicable Disease Covenant 2024-2030 by examining how CDI mediates dietary habits. Our findings provide evidence-based guidance for optimizing health resource allocation and policy intervention to reduce the global burden of diet-related NCD. Research methods. Data from the Global Burden of Disease Study 2021 were analyzed to evaluate the correlation between dietary factor and trends in chronic disease burden over a 20-year period. Moreover, we predicate the burden of chronic dietary disease up to 2020. Research steps. The statistical analysis in this study involved several case steps to evaluate the impact of diet-related risk factors on chronic disease. The burden of chronic disease was analyzed by adjusting for factors such as age, gender, years, and location, passing age, standardized rates, and dials for population comparison. ASMR prediction for diet-related chronic disease from 2021 to 2030, where made a Bayesian above-wide integrated nested Laplacian approximation. Trends in CF-ASMR SDR and X standardized SF from 1990 to 2021, where assessed using agent point regression model. At the national, the SDI-SMR relationship was characterized through a dual model analysis approach combining Gaussian process (GP) regression and loss mapping. Finally, a null percentage change effect and 95 confidence interval were calculated using R, with a significant the result of such result from 100 990 to 2021. Global Age Standardized Mortality Rates and Disability Adjusted Life Years Diaries Rates associated with dietary factor disease by approximately one rate for neoplasms and cardiovascular disease (CDS) in high socio-demographic index (CDI) regions. Neoplasm-related deaths showed a stronger correlation with dietary factors, particularly high red meat intake. In rare cardiovascular disease, the leading dietary factors are low-grade diabetes and diabetes. It is due to increased intake of processed meat and low CDI regions. Diet low in vegetables show the strongest association with neoplasm-related mortality, while diet low in fruits were significantly linked to CVD and diabetes burden. High-sodium diet was a significant risk factor for CDV in the middle CDI regions. Moreover, the 2030 projection indicates a decline in mortality from neoplasms and CDI, with a slight increase in mortality rates from diabetes. Research strengthens the strength of the journal thesis ability to show the trends and prediction about how diet affect chronic disease worldwide over more than 30 years. The research utilises large and reliable data from global studies, making its findings reliable for understanding both current and future situations. Additionally, the journal employs advanced statistical methods to predict future conditions, babysitting polymarkers in the designated appropriate preventive measures. Persist weakness. A weakness of this journal is that the data output may not be completed for all countries and regions, so the result does not validate the reference confidence around the world. In addition, the study relies on statistical data and predictive models, so I cannot fully account for all factors that influence diet-related disease. Research conclusion: the global burden of chronic disease linked to dietary factors shows varying range across different countries and regions particularly influenced by their economic development levels. This variation underscores the necessity of enhancing dietary structure to maintain chronic disease prevail and further overhead. That's all from me. Thank you. Bye bye.